Tagaytay.
I'm Jenny.
Jenny.
Medal.
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 Medal. And what's your family name?
I'm Liz. Liz.
Okay.
I'm Janice.
Janice.
I'm healthy.
You're healthy? Healthy. Okay. I'm going to ask you all to sing with me. Please be careful with my heart. I want you to write down your names. Afterwards, write down your names and your addresses. And then lahat ka na ako, I will send you my new Christmas album. Ihatag ka na ako ang pangalan ng address. Okay. So this is the question. So, ladies and gentlemen, please be careful with my heart.